Mastering defining relative clauses. That, for people and things. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into an essential aspect of English grammar, defining relative clauses. Specifically, we'll focus on the use of the word that for both people and things. So buckle up, because we're about to make your English grammar much more fluent and natural. Defining relative clauses are used to specify which person or thing we mean. The word that is often used in these clauses for both people and things. An example is, the book that I read last week was amazing. Here, the defining relative clause, that I read last week, tells us which book we're talking about. When using that in defining relative clauses, it serves as the connector between the main clause and the relative clause. We can use that to refer to both people and things. The basic structure is subject plus verb plus object plus that plus subject plus verb. For example, the woman that I saw yesterday is my aunt. Remember, that can be omitted when it's the object of the clause, but not when it's the subject. So you could also say, the woman I saw yesterday is my aunt. Let's test your understanding. This is where you can evaluate how well you've grasped the topic. 1. Which of the following sentences is incorrect? The girl that you met at the party is my sister. The house that we lived in was old. The man which I saw yesterday is my boss. Point 2. Can we omit that in the following sentence? The movie that I watched was scary. No. Yes. 3. Which sentence correctly uses that in a defining relative clause? The coat which you bought is nice. The book that you recommended was insightful. The phone which I lost was new. Remember, practice is the key to mastering grammar. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Well, there you have it, folks. We've covered the use of that in defining relative clauses for both people and things. Remember, grammar might seem tricky at first, but it gets easier the more you practice. And as always, I hope this video has been beneficial, and stay tuned for more English grammar lessons. Happy learning!